Now let us read the next paragraph. The German strategy had proved fruitless. A defeat started them in a face. Some of the frustrated German players then resorted to a rough game. The German goalkeeper pounced on Dhyanchand and hurt him. But Dhyanchand was a true soldier. After a little first aid, he immediately ran to the field and held the spectators spellbound with his game. At last, he scored the last goal of the match just as the game drew to a close. The Indian team had won third time in a row. It was a hat trick. Indians were the third time winners of the Olympic gold medal. Although Hitler left the stadium before the match was over, he was impressed by Dhyanchand's game. It is said that the German dictator had offered Dhyanchand a higher salary and rank in the German army if he agreed to play on behalf of Germany, but Dhyanchand turned down the offer. After the celebrated victory in the Olympics, Hitler awarded a special gold medal to Dhyanchand. You may be aware that hockey is our national sport. Major Dhyanchand's birthday, August 29th, is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. The famous National Stadium in Delhi is named after the great hero Dhyanchand. Who knows, perhaps one of you may carry the legacy of Dhyanchand further and win great glory for our country. Now it is given here downside that this passage or this short story is taken from Major Dhyanchand by Sanjay Dudhane, a sports writer. Okay, means actually who has written this story? Sanjay Dudhane, and he is a sports writer. Okay. In the first video, I have told that how this German team adopted the same strategy of Indian team to pass the goal from the short distances, right? So, but because of the this Dhyanchand's game, it has proved fruitless. Fruitless means no use. Okay, producing no useful results means there was no result of that. Understand? So a defeat started them in the face, and because of this all the things, these some of the German players become frustrated. They got angry and then they resorted to a rough game. Resorted means, already I have told you, resorted means adopt a strategy to solve a problem. Okay, so they thought to play a rough game. Rough means we can say like cheating. Okay, and because of that, the goalkeeper of German team pounced means jump on Dhyanchand, and also he hurt him. But Dhyanchand was a good player. He was a true soldier. After just taking a little first aid, he started playing again. And the spectators means the people, those who are watching the game. Okay, spectators means people, those who are watching the game. Understand? They spectators spellbound with his game. Spellbound means what? What is spellbound here? With the complete attention. Okay, spellbound means with the complete attention. See, when you are watching any movie, you are watching it with the full of your attention that sometimes you don't understand also that someone has came and he is sitting nearby you. Right? That is called spellbound. Okay, spellbound means with your attention completely held by what you are watching. Okay. So at last he scored the game. He scored the goal of the match just it was about to close, and this was the winning goal. Means Indian team had won this match now, and it was the third time that Indian team won the match. That means it was a hat trick. If anyone do the same thing 3 times, it is hat trick. Suppose you came first in the class from 3 years, it will be your hat trick. Understand? So Indians were the third time winners of the Olympic gold medals. Means 3 times we have won the gold medal in Olympic game. As we have already know that the dictator of Germany, Hitler, he was present there, but he has left the game in between. And then also it was said that he was impressed by the Hanchan's game, and it was also said that he offered a very high salary and also a high rank in the German army, but he was truly a good soldier. He truly loved his country. That's why he did not accept the offer by this Hitler. Okay, so what this Hitler do when it was celebrated, when everyone was celebrating this victory, Hitler gave award to Mr. Dhyanchan with a special gold medal. Okay, and all of you, as you know, that hockey is our national sport, and Major Dhyanchand's birthday is on 29th of August, and this is only celebrated as National Sports Day. Okay, so what is our National Sports Day? 29th of August. And because of the Dhyanchand's this great victory, his name is given to one of the best stadium in our country, that is famous National Stadium in Delhi. Okay, and also he is a great hero for us. That's why we should carry the legacy of Dhyanchan further. Now, what is meant by legacy? Legacy means something done earlier or left behind by someone. Legacy means something done earlier or left behind by someone. For example, we can say that he left his children a legacy of love and respect. Any person has taught his children love and respect. That means he left his children a legacy of love and respect. Okay. Now look at these two passages. These are given about Dhyanchan, about his life. Okay, let us read it out. The lifeless hockey stick used to come alive in the hands of Dhyanchan when he dribbled the ball, just wouldn't leave his stick. Some people even stole his stick and broke them open to see whether they contained a special glue or magnet. Dhyanchan was even made a play with other ordinary sticks, but even then his play was as charismatic as ever. Dhyanchand's real name was Dhyan Singh. He was a soldier in the army. He couldn't practice his game during the day because he used to be busy on his duty as a soldier. That is why he used to practice at night in midnight. It is believed that his coach fondly began to call him Dhyan Chand. Chand means moon. The name stayed with him. The non-living stick came into life, means it has got a life in the hands of Dhyan Chand. Why it is said like that? Because when it comes in his hand, he gave it a proper meaning by scoring many of the goals with this stick. And many of the person had a doubt that he had kept something in the hockey stick. That's why they kept it. They opened the stick to find it out, but they did not get anything. Dhyan Chand was even made to play with other ordinary sticks. And what is mean by charismatic? Means attractive. Okay, charismatic means attractive. Actual name of this Dhyan Chand was Dhyan Singh, but as he was in a Indian army, he used to be on his duty. He always be busy with that duty. That's why he used to practice hockey in the night. at the moonlight. So his coach started calling him Chan. So this name remained with him, and instead of dancing, everyone started calling him Dhyan Chand. I hope you understood the lesson. Oh, I hope you have enjoyed it and you understood why we celebrate our sport day on 29th of August. So if you like the video, please click on like button, share, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.